Michelle Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2013 Tahoe. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, running boards, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes. Inside you'll find audio headphone jacks, rear, audio rear, volume control, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, center console with lighting, power windows, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.